Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Just like that, we're back like we never left, and today I'm going to be doing some goddess type knotless braids on Z's hair. I'm gonna jump straight into this video. I always start off, as you know, by sectioning the hair into smaller parts. It just makes it so much easier to work with. And her hair is freshly washed, blow dried, and we are going to be creating this style on her hair. I've sectioned off this bit here at the back to work with, and I went ahead and just did this section off camera just because my son was climbing all over his sister. So I'm just parting out the section above now and getting ready to start on some more braids. I'm going to be using Kanekalon pre-stretched hair. It has like an ombre type effect. I'll make sure I list it in the description box so you guys can find it if you so desire. And I'm using 3 sections of hair. I'm sure by now you've seen many tutorials on knotless braids. They're very easy to do. And yeah, I'm just adding 3 bits of hair at different intervals. I'm not making them very thick. She does not like thick braids, so I always do her braids to her liking. If you so desire, you can add more hair. So this is how the braids are looking. I really love that 3-toned ombre effect. It's really gorgeous, and I've already gotten to the front of this style. Now what I do is I braid down to a certain part and then just hand it over to the kids to finish up their self. As you know, Z's a teen now, so you know they can do some bits with their hair. They're not great at it, and I don't mind as mom to continue helping them with their hair. But yeah, I'm just adding, as you can see, the 3 bits of hair to her natural hair, and then just continuing to braid along. I think one of the things that has really changed like my braiding game for me is that you can now have pre-stretched hair. It saves me so much time. I have like the least amount of time these days, and I'm sure many of you with families and jobs and a combination of everything have the same issue. So when I realized that you can now get pre-stretched hair, I was like, yes, it's so easy. Like you just, you know, section out the amount of hair you need. You don't need to go through that pulling on each end and all of that. Yeah, so it makes it so much quicker for me to get their hair done. And yeah, we're on the last braid at the moment at the front, and I absolutely love the color. So like I said, I think it goes very well with her hair color. Her natural hair color anyways is pretty cool. And yeah, I just added these 3 bits of hair, and I'm just gonna finish up braiding this last one. So I've completed all the knotless braids, and now I'm just gonna take these like curly bits of hair that I made. Made is not probably the right word. I created, I guess. So what I did was I took some of the Kanekalon hair that we had left over, and I wrapped them around on flexi rods, put them in hot water, and boom, this is what we got. And I'm just gonna add these sporadically throughout her hair to give that goddess braids type effect to her hair. This is what she wanted, and I am trying to create it for her. Basically, it's quite simple to add them. Sometimes you can add them as you're braiding along, but I prefer to just do it this way, to add in the bits of hair. That way it allows me throughout the process of the style, if they start to look a bit frizzy or you know, frazzled, I can easily take them out and add new ones. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just applying some more throughout her hair to give that desired look that Z is looking for. What I love now is that the girls are at the age where they are very confident with what hairstyles they like. So it's quite simple for me now to just say to them, okay, so how do you want your hair? And they tell me, and I try to create it. So this is the finished look. I did go back in later and added a bit more of them, but at this point I was tired, and yeah. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.